Hello! Today we're going to be opening this Volcano Dino Strike from Zuru. You can build, hunt, and trap these dinos. So we'll see. Okay, so let's start. Taking this off. Take a little bit of time. Get all of this off. I like the red color on this ball. Alright. So, a little hard here. Alright, so I managed to get the plastic off and I'm gonna open it up. So you got 4 slices, 1 big one here and 3 small ones. So let's see what's in here. It's a base, I think. And then wings. Oh, okay, the back of the dino. Okay. More of the back. And then here's a guide. And then more pictures. This is a Stegosaurus. Alright. And then start with the slices. Here's 1 slice. The foot, the feet, yeah. And the arm. Okay. Another slice. Okay. And then, okay, more of, I guess, the scales. Parts of the dino again. And then there's pictures of what's possible, I guess, that other designs that are available. And more. There's 2 rares. Okay. 10 to collect. Very cool. And here's our last slice. Okay, so this one, it's got the legs again and the arms. Oh, okay, here's the head. And I guess the arm, the other arm. Okay, so here's the body. And can put this on. Gotta figure out which side. Okay, let's see. That's this one here. This one. So, gotta figure out how it looks. Okay. It's facing down. A little harder than I thought it would be. I'll start with the big parts, I guess. This part. Okay, it's in. It's the leg. Okay, it's moving. And then we have this part, the back leg. And it's snapped. I'm gonna put this on. I already put on 1 leg, and then this is the second one. So it moves too. Oh, coming off. Alright, and then the head. The head is right here. And it goes in. Kind of hard, but it's in. And then the tail, the front, the big part of the tail snaps in. And then it moves a little bit. And then the last part of the tail. Okay, fits right in. And then, so our dino looks like this now. And we can start putting in little parts, the scales on. I'll just slide it in. Alright, so this is the best I could do with this dino. The tail is waving, the head, the legs, and some of the parts fell off. So, and here's the helmet. It goes onto, comes off. All right. Thanks for watching.